Jamie, of course, congratulations. As an athlete yourself, gaano ka-importante itong mga ganitong recognition para doon sa advocacy mo rin no, to help younger athletes?
I appreciate it very much. Unang-una because it celebrates women. And second, of course, women in sports. Kasi I really hope talaga na young girls will see this and say na, okay, kaya talaga. They can achieve whatever they want to achieve. And they'll see na kaya by example. So, I just want the kids to dream and to know na kaya nila. So, this means a lot for me to have a platform to share this.
Jamie, ilang buwan na lang magsi-SEA Games na ulit sa Bangkok. For the record, are you joining the next SEA Games?
I'm actually thinking about it pa. So I am unsure as of the moment kasi I'm already working. I've been working for more than a year now. So I'm in the data analytics space. Medyo mahirap. So we'll see kung kakayanin ng training.
When you say kakayanin, how's the training ba? The preparation leading to SEA Games? Ilang buwan, gaano katagal?
Well, the training kasi for SEA Games is no joke. So I remember before, pinagsasabay ko yung masters and we would have to do training abroad as well. So this time, I am not sure how much I can do that with a day job. Medyo may demands din ng day job. So I will have to see and let you know soon.
When will be that? Kasi ilang buwan na nga lang at sabi mo, rigorous yung training.
Ayun na nga. So, very soon, I'm gonna have to make a decision. But for sure, it won't be easy either way. But we will